Unlock seamless travel across Canada's thriving public transit networks with the easy-to-use Presto Card. First, grab your Presto Card. You can purchase one at many transit stations and retailers throughout Ontario or online. To get started, you'll need to load funds onto your card. You can do this in person at a ticket machine or customer service desk, or by visiting the Presto website. The easiest way is often through the Presto app or website. Simply log in, select Load Card, and choose your desired amount. You can use a credit or debit card for quick and secure transactions. When boarding a bus or streetcar, or entering a subway station, tap your Presto Card on the reader until you hear a beep and see your fare deducted. For ultimate convenience, consider setting up auto-load. This ensures your card always has sufficient funds in the Presto app or on the website. Navigate to your card settings and choose a minimum balance that will trigger a reload and the amount you want added. Manage your account effortlessly by checking your balance, viewing your trip history, and even reporting a lost or stolen card, all through the intuitive Presto app or website. From the Greater Toronto and Hamilton area to Ottawa and beyond, the Presto Card is your key to simplified and stress-free public transportation journeys across many Canadian cities.